Quantitative data is also known as numerical data. It may come from quantitative research, such as structural surveys, experiments, questionnaires, or standardized assessment involving a larger sample size to ensure statistical significance and the ability to generalize findings to a broader population. Hi, I'm Alin from the Experience Research Lab. Today I want to continue discussing data types because they're crucial for data analysts, statisticians, and researchers in determining data analysis and visualization techniques. In the previous video, I said that data fall into two main categories. They are qualitative and quantitative data. Further, I explained that qualitative data, also known as categorical data, has two types, nominal and ordinal data. Nominal data itself can be binary or non-binary. How about quantitative data? Quantitative data also has two types. They are discrete data and continuous data. Discrete data has noticeable gaps between values, and these values are often integers that are countable but non-divisible. The easiest way to identify discrete data is by listening to the keywords used. Generally speaking, when someone says the number of or the count of, it usually indicates discrete data. Some of the examples are number of children in a family, number of students in a class, number of teachers in a school, number of cars in a parking lot, number of customers visiting a shopping center, and number of complaints received by the customer in a day. As previously mentioned, they are all countable but non-divisible. We can say that a family has 6 children, or a class consists of 5 students. However, we cannot say that a school has 2.5 teachers, or that the parking lot is for 3.25 cars. In short, discrete data only takes whole numbers. Analyzing discrete data may involve techniques like histograms or bar charts. Now, let's continue with the continuous data. Continuous data can take on any value within a specified range that we can divide into smaller and smaller units with increasing precision. In other words, continuous data doesn't only take whole numbers but also any figure with a comma separator. Continuous data is often analyzed using techniques like histograms or probability density functions. However, they may suit different mathematical operations depending on the subtypes. So what are the subtypes? Continuous data has two subtypes. They are interval data and ratio data. Before going any further, I want to take you once again to the previous video, particularly when I touch on the ordinal data. Ordinal data represents categories with a specific order or ranking but unequal intervals between them. In a family, a father or mother may code their first kid as 1, the second as 2, and the third as 3. While number 1, 2, and 3 lets us know the order, it doesn't tell us exactly how many years they are different from each other. The first kid can be 1 year older than the second one, while the second one can be 2 or even 12 years older than the third one. With interval data, the intervals between values are consistently equal. However, it doesn't come with 0 points. Some examples are length, time, temperature measured in Celsius or Fahrenheit, and luminous intensity. With interval data, statistical operations like addition or subtractions are meaningful, but multiplication and divisions are not because there's no true zero. Ratio data is numerical data with equal intervals between values and a 0 point. Some examples are the amount of substance, electric current, and the mass. With ratio data, all mathematical operations, including multiplication and divisions, are meaningful. For instance, we can say that 1 mole is twice as much as half a mole. Doubling the current means you have twice as much as current. And you can also say that someone has exactly twice the weight of someone else. Whether you're dealing with categorical data for classifications or numerical data for quantitative analysis, recognizing the characteristic of each data type empowers you to draw meaningful conclusions and extract valuable insights from your data sets. I think that's all I can share with you today. If you're really into data, quantitative or qualitative, please do subscribe to this channel because after this video, I'll be sharing more about how to analyze quantitative data. I'll see you there and cheers.